Good morning, dear student. In previous class, we will discuss about treatment of bone and joint injuries. Joint injury, dislocation of joint. There are three types: dislocation of lower jaw, dislocation of shoulder joint, dislocation of hip joint. Then treatment of dislocation. Then fracture. There are six types of fractures are there. The first one is stress fracture. Sec- Second one is green stick fracture. Third one is community fracture. Fourth one transverse fracture. The fifth one is oblique bone fracture. The last one is impacted fracture. Then today we will be discuss about meaning of first aid. What is the meaning of first aid? First aid is the first help which is given to the wound or accidental victim before the arrival of the doctor. Then it is an immediate and temporary care given to a victim of an accident or sudden illness before the service of a physician is evident. Then first aid can be defined as the initial assignment assistance given to an individual who has fallen ill or who has suffered by injury. In फर्स्ट एड, फर्स्ट एड क्या है? फर्स्ट एड द फर्स्ट हेल्प व्हिच गिवन द वुड और एक्सीडेंटल विक्टिम. एक्सीडेंट हो या स्पोर्ट्स में कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम हो, इंजरी हुआ, उसको जो पहला ट्रीटमेंट जो देता है, जो पहला एड उसको लगता है, जो जिसके थ्रू भी लगता है, आइदर फिजिकल एजुकेशन टीचर हो या कोचेस हो, दिस इज द मीनिंग ऑफ फर्स्ट एड. It is an immediate and temporary care. Yes, मतलब जिसका एक्सीडेंट हो रहा है उसको इमीडिएट जो ट्रीटमेंट दिया जा रहा है तो उसको हम लोग फर्स्ट एड भी बोलेंगे. और टेम्पररी, फर्स्ट एड का मतलब टेम्पररी है मगर इमरजेंसी के लिए और इमीडिएट एक्शन के लिए वो है. उसके बाद मेडिकल जाने के बाद उसका दूसरे तरह का ट्रीटमेंट होगा. Then, first aid can be defined as the initial assistance given to an individual who has fallen ill or who has suffered one injury. Then, it consists of simple technique and measure that can be performed with basic equipment and meditation by anyone. Before professional medical assistance can be given to the injury or unwell person. Then first aid is the assignment given to any person suffer a sudden illness or injury with care provided to reverse life, prevent the condition for worsening and promote recovery. Then aim of first aid. क्या एम है फर्स्ट एड का? द मेन एम ऑफ फर्स्ट एड इज टू ट्राई टू सेव द प्रिक्यूर्स लाइफ और द ओन पर्सन और विक्टिम. फर्स्ट एड का एम ये है किसका लाइफ को ट्राई सेव करने के लिए ट्राई करना है नॉर्मली. देन एम ऑफ ऑब्जेक्टिव. Sorry, objective of first aid. There are 5 types of objectives. The first one is to preserve life. Preserve life. To preserve or to save the life of the victim or own person is the significant objective of first aid. However, there are limitations of first aid But even then, every possible effort is done to save the life of a one person or victim with the help of first aid. The next one is 2. Alternative pain and suffering. The second important objective of first aid is to alleviate pain and suffering of the victim or one person. Pain is natural in any type of accident. Pain become unbearable in case of fracture or dislocation of joint during accident. So, it is a major objective to reduce such unbearable pain. The third one is to prevent the condition from worsening. Till the one person or victim does not get the help of a doctor to prevent the condition from worsening becomes the major objective of first aid according to the objective. The victim's condition should not be worsened. Generally, when first aid is provided, the wound or victim's condition does not worsen while being taken to the doctor for treatment. The next one is to promote recovery. कैसे प्रमोट किया जाता है उसको रिकवरी करने के लिए. The main objective of first aid is to start the process of recovery as easily as possible. As early as possible. Sometimes the treatment of injury is also included in this objective. Sorry. The next step to procure yearly medical aid. To procedure yearly medical aid is one of the most important objectives of first aid. In fact, there may be creating situation where there is a dire need for medical assistance. However, the first aid should pay attention to provide first aid to the victim or one person, but efforts should also be made to seek medical aid as early as possible. These are the 5 objectives for of first aid. Thank you, students. I have completed the unit 7. Some chapters are there. 7 chapter complete. Then some unity are deleted from our syllabus. I send you the photograph for new syllabus, physical education 12th. Thank you. Have a nice day.